This is it. See guys? See? These are the valve chip out right here. So that's why we have low compression, guys. That's the reason why we have low compression on cylinder 4, alright? Just this valve here. The valve them, they look like they're in a bad condition, you know, they're full of so much carbon build-up. Bunch of carbon build-up on them, guys. I can always clean them up and stuff, but we're gonna take the cylinder here to the machine shop and see what my friend have to say. You know what I mean? Yep. Gonna clean up these pistons. I'm just gonna put some cleaner on there. This one is clean. And see cylinder 4 here. See how it's pretty? Because I put a lot of cleaner down there before, like to soak, to see if it was the compression rings, you know what I mean?